Hello family, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is Kobe Dollars from Blue Forest Company Limited, and we are back again. Today. We are back again with this strategy. I call this strategy the simple strategy. The simple strategy that any beginner can use. The simple strategy any beginner can use. We use this strategy to catch entries. It's not any hard strategy. It's just a simple strategy which you can use to get your entries. So without wasting much time, let's go to um, how we are going to use this strategy. And it's no other indicator that we are going to use than the Fibonacci retracement. I know you know how Fibonacci retracements are being used, and you know what it can do. So before I give you the settings and how you are going to use the Fibonacci retracement, if you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make comments on any video I've been dropping, and also like the videos and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please, let's all subscribe to the YouTube channel before we go to today's video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. All right. So today's video is going to be simple and as easy as ABCD. So many traders have been trading, but they are not profitable. They have been trading, but they are not profitable. So you can ask yourself, why is it that I've been trading, but I'm not profitable? It's because you don't know how to use some indicators plus your price action. So this video is going to help you know how to use this kind of indicator with your price action. All right, so I'm going to use boom 1000 to make reference to the indicator boom 1000. But before then, I'll give you the settings of the indicator. Or if you want to add the indicator to your chart, just come to where you see the triangle and then the rectangle, then the arrow line. You just right click, then go to customize, then search for Fibonacci retracement. So if you find the Fibonacci retracement, you just double click to add it to the chart. After that, you close it. Okay, after adding the fib, now you are going to check the settings of the Fibonacci. Let me clean this one. So you click on the Fibonacci retracement, you drop to the charts. Then on the Fibonacci, you right click and go to properties. This time, use the common ones. Use black color as your star, and don't draw any object at the background. After that, you go to levels. Please, this is how the levels are. The 0.0, 0.5 is 5.0, 0.6 is 61.8. Then the 1 is 100.0. Then you can choose any color you want. But for me, I know I'm making some cool blues on the market, so I used to choose blue color, because blue is the color and blue is the happiness of every trader. So blue color is the one I want. After that, you click on done. So this is how your fib is going to look like. This is how your fib is going to look like. So how would I use this fib to catch my entries, or how would I use this fib to get my entry points? It is no hard. You can use any of the time frame. You can use any of the time frame, but the time frame that is going to help you is 1 hour or 4 hours. But the recommended time frame is 1 hour. All right. So you click on the fib, then you expand the fib. You expand the fib. This time you are going to see the previous high or previous low. If it's an uptrending market, you're going to draw your fib from the previous low and then to the previous highs. So this time it's a downtrending market. The market is trending down. So I'll draw my fib to the higher and I'll drop it to the lower level. So this is how the fib look like. Then we are going to see how we are going to use it to catch our entries. So the first point you should look at is from this side. From this side, the market was trending all the way to uptrending market. So you could see how the market was doing. It is doing up and down, up and down. So, and then the second one you should look at from this side to this side. So this place would be this place would be your first point, and this side will be your second point. So before you can draw any fib retracement, you have to check your previous higher and your previous lower so that you can get your entry points. So any trader who uses fib doesn't get losses. Doesn't get losses. You can get loss, but not as much as not using fib. So nowadays I used to use fib for my entries. You could check that the fib, the 61.8 was the one you are going to use as your entry. Then sorry, 50.0 is going to be your entry, because we are looking at the short, or we are going to short the market. We are going to short the market because previously the market is a downtrending market. So we are going to look for a selling opportunities. We're going to look for a selling opportunities. So you are going to use the you're going to use this 50.0 as your entry. This 50.0 as your entry. After that, your target or your stop loss should be around 61.8. So you want to extend your stop loss, because if you understand the market, sometimes there will be a pullback, a huge pullback, and maybe if your account can't contain that pullback, you have to calculate how you're going to risk to your reward ratio before you go into the market. So after checking those things, your target should be around this place, around 0.0. Your target should be around 0.0, meaning you are going to get this all these pips from this 50.0 to to 0.0. So calculate the pips that you are going to enjoy from this market. So the fib is my best market entry. The fib is my best market entry. And let me draw this attention to some traders. Whenever they see that the market is going against them, they use emotions to close trades. But sometimes there might be a pullback. There might also be a stop loss hunting. So if you know what you're doing, if you know what you're doing from the market, you don't have to always close trades. You have to set your target and set your stop loss. But don't let your stop loss be below your entry, because sometimes a candlestick that comes may take you off from the market. So know what you are doing, know how you are doing with the market. Don't just come into the market and say, I'm a good trader, so I can trade anyhow. No, you're going to lose a lot of money. But you being or you knowing what you are doing will get you money or will extract you money. So this market, how if I want to enter this market as well, let me see. Let me use the fib to see if I, in case I was looking for some entry over here. So yeah, it's a very nice entry, and I mean the trade. And you can see there's a formation over here, which is the head and shoulder, head and shoulder, head and shoulder, head and shoulder formation over here. So you see how this fib works. It works perfectly well. It works perfectly well. So it has create head and shoulder from this market. So all what you need is to just be patient and wait for your entries. Don't just be going into the market. So from this market, this side could be your entry. Let me use this. This side could be your entry, where the 50.0 would be your entry. Then your target should be at this level. Your target should be at 0.0, 0.0. Then your stop loss should be above our 61.8. So you set your stop loss over here. But don't just go into the market without knowing anything about it. So all these places could be your entries. Like you will be entering the market over here. So when the market gets to that area, then you enter. If you are having a good capital, or if your account is very huge, when it touches this level, you enter the market again. But your stop loss should be at this place. Don't worry for losing in the market, because the market is like you lose, you win, you lose, you win. But if you know what you are doing, the losses should be lesser than the winning. So any trader who have the perception that I'm not going to lose is not true. Every trader should lose, but let your losses should be around 10%, and your winning points should be around 90%. That's how we do it when it comes to the market. But if in case you have been losing a lot, you have been losing a lot from the market, then it means you don't do your analysis well, you don't set up, you don't like, you just go into the market without knowing anything. No, any good trader shouldn't do that way. See how this I did this. It means I know what I'm doing. So sit down. If you don't have any mentor, just get yourself a mentor so that the person will help you analyze the market, will help you understand the market, will help you not just to read any books, but to get the real concept of the market, not just to make you understand that the market is there, you can make money, I will do this. No, let the person teach you how you understand the market. Sit down and make the analysis yourself. When you get losses, don't be thinking or don't be confused that you are not a good trader. Now, every good trader must get losses. To know how your entries, to know how best you are doing, to know how you are strengthened. So you don't just come to the market and be saying, I want to get money, so I won't be getting losses. No, this is not done anywhere, because there is a risk to reward ratio in the market. So if you are not losing, you will be gaining. If you are not gaining, you will be losing. But what I'm saying is, always let your analysis be very essential to you, because you can analyze the market and you gain more from the market. But if you don't do it in the rightful manner, you're going to lose a lot of money. All right, family, I know by the grace of God, we are all well and we understand this fake retracement indicator. So once again, this is Kobe Dollars from Blue Forest Company Limited. And I'm open. I'll be sharing my Telegram link at the description button. So if you want to join the Telegram link, sorry, if you want to join the Telegram, you can just click on the link, then you just join the Telegram link for free signals. And also we have mentorship, we have account management, we have copy trace, and any form that you want to know from the market. So you just join the Telegram link. After that, you can get in touch with us so that we talk more on the market. This is Kobe Kobe Dollars from Blue Forest Company Limited. Till we meet again, financial freedom.